Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cbse English The Topper's Choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 9th second lesson, The Sound of Music. In this part 1, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it, and part 2, The Shehnai of Bismillah Khan from the textbook Beehive. Here we go. First question, who was deaf in the lesson? And the options are Evelyn, Ron Fox, Bismillah Khan, or Evelyn's mother. And the correct answer is Evelyn. Question number 2, how old was Evelyn when she went to Royal Music Academy? Options are 17 years old, 18 years old, 19 years old, or below 17. The right answer is 17 years old. Question number 3. When was Evelyn's deafness noticed? Option A, when she was 18, B, when she was 19, C, when she was 8, and D, none. And here the correct answer is C, when she was 8. Next, question number 4. When was Evelyn's deafness confirmed? Options are by the age of 5, by the age of 6, by the age of 8, or by the age of 11. And the right answer is by the age of 11. Question number 5. Who helped Evelyn to continue with her music? Options are her mother, teacher, father, or Ron Forbes. And the correct answer is Ron Forbes. Question number 6. Who spotted Evelyn's potential? Options are her father, friends, mother, or Ron Forbes. And the right answer is Ron Forbes. Question number 7. Which places had Evelyn worked for? Options are A, poor children, B, prisons and hospitals, C, schools, and D, none. The right answer is B, prisons and hospitals. Question number 8. What was life for Evelyn? Options are dance, nature, music, or all. And the right answer is music. Question number 9. Where was the Royal Music Academy? Options are US, Birmingham, Paris, or London. And the right answer is London. Question number 10. What did Evelyn want to pursue? Options are fashion, study, music, or none. And here the right answer is music. Question number 11. What did Aurangzeb ban in his palace? Options are playing of pungi, playing sitar, playing music, or none. And the right answer is playing of pungi. Question number 12. Why was playing pungi in Aurangzeb's palace banned? And the options are A, it had a sharp sound, B, it wasn't good, C, it was unpleasant, and D, all. The right answer is all. Question number 13. Who thought of improving the sound of the pungi? Options are a musician, a singer, a barber, or none. And here the correct answer is a barber. Question number 14. How is the Shehnai different from the Pungi? Options are A. Shehnai has a better sound. B. Shehnai looks more beautiful. C. Shehnai is made of wood. And D. All. And the right answer is A. Shehnai has a better sound. Question number 15. Who changed the perception of the Shehnai? Options are Tansen, Evelyn, Bismillah Khan or all. And the right answer is Bismillah Khan. Question number 16. Where was the Shehnai played traditionally? Options are in temples, in wedding ceremonies, auspicious ceremonies or all. And the right answer is all. Question number 17. When did Bismillah get his first big break as a Shehnai performer? Option A. In 1938, when All India Radio came into existence. 1945, 1987 or 1989. And the answer is in 1938, when All India Radio came into existence. Question number 18. Why did Bismillah refuse to go to the USA? Options are A. Because the Shehnai had no future there. B. He didn't like the place. C. Because of his love for Banaras and river Ganges. D. All. And the correct answer is C. Because of his love for Banaras and river Ganges. Question number 19. Where did Bismillah play the Shehnai on 15th August 1947? Options are at Ganga Ghat, in Banaras, near Red Fort or at Kashi. Right answer is near Red Fort. Question number 20. Why was the event of Shehnai playing on 15th August a historic one? Option A. Bismillah became popular. Option B. People appreciated his performance. Option C. It was Independence Day. And option D. All. The correct answer is C. It was Independence Day. Question number 21. From where did Shehnai get its name? Option A. From Babar. Nai in Hindi plus king means Shah in Hindi. B. From a musician. C. King gave its name. Or D. None. And the right answer is A. From Barber. Nai in Hindi plus king means Shah in Hindi. Question number 22. Shehnai is a refined version of which instrument? Option A. Musical instrument. B. Mouth organ. C. Guitar or D. Pungi. The right answer is Pungi. Question number 23. Where did Bismillah give his first breakthrough performance? Options are at the Red Fort, at Varanasi, at All India Radio or USA. And the correct answer is at All India Radio. Question number 24. According to the lesson, who was present on the event of 15th August 1947? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. M.K. Gandhi. C. Rajendra Prasad or D. All of these. The right answer is A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 25. Why did people discourage Evelyn to pursue music? Options are A. It was not considered good. B. It was difficult. C. It was expensive. And D. Because she was deaf. The right answer is D. Because she was deaf. Question 26. What did Ron Forbes advise Evelyn? Options are forget music, listen to music, feel music with her body, or none. And the right answer is feel music with her body. Question number 27. How did Evelyn hear music? Option A, through drums, B, through fingers, C, by feeling vibrations through her different parts of body, that is fingers, hair, feet. Option D, all. And the correct answer is C, by feeling vibrations through her different parts of body, that is fingers, hair, feet, etc. Question number 28. What did Evelyn want to spread through her music? A, message of love, peace and happiness. B, music is not difficult. C, music is not difficult for deaf people. And D, deaf people can learn music. And the right answer is A, message of love, peace and happiness. Question number 29. Who played Shehnai at King's Palace? Options are a barber, a musician, a singer or a courtsman. And right answer is a barber. Question number 30. What was the source of inspiration for Bismillah? Options are Red Fort, Royal Palaces, Ganga Ghats or none. And the right answer is Ganga Ghats. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more notifications of more videos. Thank you for watching.